Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's see which stocks we'll be trading tomorrow. So the first stock is Divis Lab. If you see, it has been above this 3000 level. Once there was a gap up, it has been on this 3000 levels for very long time, almost for 2 months. So what it has done after this downtrend, it tried to go up. After this big candle, again it has been coming down, and if you see, it is near this 3000 level, and it also tested today and it has returned. So in tomorrow's case, what can happen? It can be even for positional. If it breaks this 3000 level, it can easily come to this 2800 level. So for tomorrow, this will be a sell for me, because it is very crucial level and it has broke and it has closed below that. If you see this level around 3100 level, so this will be very crucial for tomorrow to sell. Next one is ICICI Prudentials for a buy. Reason, if you see, even when market was trying to go down, it has formed a positive candle and then it has broken. It has been up. So chances are that tomorrow this might continue this momentum and can give 5-10 points in a buying direction with this flow. Next one is Just Dial. If you see Just Dial, continuously it was in this small range. Give me a moment. Yes, it was in this small range. It was not small range, it was testing this level, and now it has broke. So with this momentum, there can be tomorrow that in tomorrow's session it can continue this momentum and can give you 5-10 points in the sell direction. Next one is Titan. If you see, it has been up and then kind of made this double top pattern, and then it has come down and consistently coming down. Yesterday it tried to go up and made an inside candle and it has come down again. So if you see, it is almost now, it has broke this 1100 level and closed below it. So chances are that, again, similar to all the other stocks, this move will continue and then we might have a good points in tomorrow's session. Yes. Now let's come to the indexes. If you see Nifty, from last 2 days, what we were expecting to form a halt candle or a small candle, but there is a continuous sell-off. No one until now, there is we don't see any profit booking. So what can happen in tomorrow's session? In tomorrow's session, if in case market opens normal gap down, then chances are that for example, it opens around 25 to 50 points gap down. Chances are that it will recover first. I mean, there will be some profit booking and it will come nearby this 800 level and maybe a little bit above that, and then it can again sustain down. It will give a sharp fall down. Second view, what is that? If it opens gap up, then chances are that the downtrend or sharp selling can continue. So we are still expecting this small halt candle, but because there is a selling pressure, what we can do is we can reduce the quantity and we can trade based on this analysis. Because if you see, the next support which we have is around 11,600 and 11,500. So from here we have a 200 point move, or else in tomorrow's if this is not met in tomorrow's session, what can happen? There will be a sharp profit booking, and then in next coming sessions we'll have this downfall. Now in Bank Nifty, similar to that, what we discussed in yesterday's session, that this level is crucial, and this 21,000 level is crucial, and it will support it a little bit and then it might fall. What happened today? It opened gap down and then it continued downwards only. So in tomorrow's session, what can happen? The next level is this 20,000 level, nearby 20,000 or 20,100. So what can happen here is, if it opens gap down, again same profit booking might come, or else it can give a sharp fall and then U-turn. So there are multiple scenarios in tomorrow's market. So be little cautious while you are trading the indexes. Be ready to take small SLs, because we have been consistently getting profits. So be ready to take small SLs. That's it, guys, for today. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe, and share the channel.